Hi, welcome to Koike Private Fair 2022. This is our grand annual event. Now, we're going to show you the latest, eye-catching technology developed by Koike. Just keep watching. Here, we are going to give you a quick view of our most popular machine types. Oxy-fuel or plasma-used cutting machine series, VERSAGRAPH, and MYNUC. Let's meet the smallest and lightest welding carriage of Koike. With only 5.2 kilograms weight, it is designed for multiple application with high performance. The most advanced machine, of course, is our FIBERTEX-Zero DBC. FIBERTEX-Zero has the first dual-beam control oscillator in the world. We'll focus on this with more detail later. And we'd like to introduce our Bevel Master to you. This Oxy-fuel gas bevel cutting robot, by adopting the 6-axis articulated robot, high quality and automated curved bevel cutting is possible. With the offline automatic programming, it is perfect choice for multi-product production. MYNUC. MYNUC is an oxy-fuel and plasma cutting machine, or it can be used both at the same time. The machine structure is gantry bridge with double-side drive. The remarkable feature of this type is length can be extended. About its functions, it can operate on cutting, marking, dotting and shot blasting. Standalone type or onboard type of fume collector can be selected. It also performs well on plasma underwater cutting. The cutting metal thickness can reach to 250 mm when you use oxy-fuel. Torches can be equipped up to 30 and operating simultaneously. The next is PNC12 EXTREME. It's a typical type of Koike's portable CNC cutting machine.
PNC12 can be used on oxy-fuel or air plasma cutting. Simple operation keypad and user-friendly graphic display are the most favorite functions by our customers. 47 most used pre-programmed patterns installed, easy to operate for new learner or experienced person. Accurate cutting result and the cutting thickness can reach to 50 mm.
PNC-PIPE. PNC-PIPE can be considered as PNC12 EXTREME added pipe cutting function. It used on air plasma cutting, as same as PNC12, it has simple operation keypad and graphic display. Pre-programmed patterns for pipe cutting installed freely to create various cutting shapes. Max of pipe cutting size is Fi260 by length 3000 mm. Cutting thickness for pipe is 16 mm maximum. Finally, let's introduce the FIBERTEX-Zero DBC to you again. Koike's best fiber laser cutting machine ever, which meets all users' demands. So, what does DBC mean? While the single beam mode has only the central beam, DBC is a combination of a central beam and a ring beam, which brings more efficiency to the cutting process. DBC allows the controlling of the shape of the central beam and the ring beam individually to the best condition according to the material's type, surface condition, and surface temperature. FIBERTEX-Zero achieves a better cutting quality in a wider range of material from thin to thick plates. The FIBERTEX-Zero has the first ever IPG DBC oscillator implemented. Cutting performance enhanced to the utmost by adopting the new torch head K-torch with DBC dedicated nozzle. Cutting accuracy significantly improved by machine body rigidity increase. And rust material would be cutting without pre-burning. That's it about our private fair 2022, but still there are more products we haven't shown on this video. We hope you enjoying this video and get to know more about Koike's innovative technology. If you found something interesting, don't hesitate to contact us or arrange a visit. Thank you.